Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a dynamic whip pan transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Select the first clip, go to the Effects panel, search for Directional Blur and drag it onto the clip. Set your timeline to be precisely at the cut of the clips. In Effect Controls, set the blur length to 50 and the direction to 90 degrees for a horizontal blur. Set keyframes for blur length start at 0, ramp up to 50 at the midpoint of the transition, and back to 0 at the end. Keyframes should be 5 frames apart to create a seamless transition. Repeat the process on the second clip, but in reverse. Apply directional blur, set keyframes from 50 to 0, and adjust the direction to 180 degrees. Play the timeline to preview your whip pan transition. Adjust the keyframes and blur settings for a smooth effect. And that's it. A quick whip pan transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.